I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable staking rewards on Binance, follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Before starting recovery, use the icerock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Navigate to the Earn section. Once logged in, go to the Finance tab on the top menu and select Earn from the drop-down. This is where you can find various earning options including staking. Step 3. Choose Staking. In the Earn section, look for the staking option and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can see all available staking options and their respective rewards. Step 4. Select the cryptocurrency. Pick the cryptocurrency you want to stake from the list. Make sure to check the terms and conditions, as different coins may have different lockup periods. Step 5. Enable staking rewards. After selecting your cryptocurrency, click on the Stake Now button. Follow the prompts to confirm your staking amount and enable the rewards. Double check the confirmation screen to ensure everything looks correct before finalizing. Remember, staking rewards can vary based on market conditions, so keep an eye on your investments. Happy staking!